Question number 7 of the ID Passport exam from PhilNITS. In this question, we are asked about the first in, last out data structure. In this question, actually, I put here that it's best that you skip it, put a temporary answer, and go on to the next question. That might be a lot easier. But if we attempt to understand what this question is asking us, I put here some of my notes too. And I think the part here about the operations is something that we need to take note of. It's saying that for operation number one, you got something like data, put in the data structure, which is a stack, and then from the left side go straight to the right side. The next operation tells us that if you put in data, it just pushes it onto the top of the stack. And for the third operation, you pop it out and it goes to the left side. I put here my note that you got 1, 2, 3 those operations here, and also this one is saying that the device receives X and Y and Z in this order from the right. So if we look at the operations again and we put the X, Y, Z in this order, just like what we have in the instructions, the next thing that we need to do is it's asking us if the order is rearranged, which order would give us this output, which is it cannot send the data to the left side. This one actually I was a while ago just looking into this problem again, even though I knew that the note that I put here was to skip it, and I attempted to understand it some more, and actually I arrived with letter C, and I looked it up what is exactly the correct answer supposedly for this question, and the answer sheet, the answers list said that it's really letter C. And I think the reason why I chose C was because if the order is ZXY and instead of X here you put Z, and for the second operation you put X, and for the third operation you put Y, it would seem that the letter X would be stuck inside the stack. I'm not really sure if that's the correct explanation for that, but that seems to be the only choice here where the X would be stuck. Stuck inside the stack. So I think that's maybe an explanation. Although again, I would recommend that you skip this, go to the easier ones, the other questions, and maybe if you have time you can come back to this again and see if you can solve it. Okay?